Hey, what's going on? In this lecture, you're gonna learn how to make a request. When we make a request, we ask someone for something or we ask someone to do something. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let's go to vocabulary. 1. Appointment. Appointment. This is a noun. Appointment means an arranged meeting, usually for some business purpose. For example, he has to rush to an appointment. I made an appointment to see the dentist next Thursday. 2. Give someone a hand. Give someone a hand. Grace. That means to lend someone a hand or to give someone help. For example, could you give me a hand with these suitcases? Marsha has taught her children to lend a hand when it comes to cleaning up after meals. Next, please complete the two conversations using the words in the box. Words. I do it. Sure. Would you mind? Anytime will be fine. Do you think I could? Sure, no problem. Would it be alright? This is conversation 1. Please complete it. Have you finished? Let's have a look at the answer. Would you mind mailing these packages for me? Sure. When do they have to arrive? They need to be delivered by Tuesday at the latest. Okay, I do it this afternoon. This is conversation 2. Please complete it. Have you finished? Let's have a look at the answer. Do you think I could borrow your camera? Mine is broken. Sure, no problem. When do you want it? How about Saturday afternoon? Would it be alright? Yeah, of course. Anytime will be fine. You can practice these two conversations with your partner. Do you enjoy those two conversations? Do you want more practice like that? First, look at the useful expressions in the box and read the culture note. Now I would like to teach you some more common request phrases. Would you mind helping me with these files? Are you by any chance driving down to the central office? Or, I wonder if you would mind moving your car. If you agree with the request, you can say, of course, or certainly. If not, you may say, sorry, I'm using it on the weekend. I'm afraid I can't right now. Or, sorry, I'm really busy. Maybe Bob could give you a hand. What would happen if you don't know the person well? In that case, start your request with, excuse me, or I'm sorry to bother you, but, and then you can use the common request phrases which I have just taught you. Here comes the fun part. Make similar conversations with your partner using situations 1 to 4 below. Don't forget to use the useful expressions and culture note which you have just learned. Alright, let me give you a hint. Here are a few possible answers. Situation 1. Ask your partner to help you make some copies. You need them for a meeting in 1 hour. Conversation 1. Would you mind making some copies for me? Certainly. When do you need them by? I need them for a meeting which starts in an hour. Okay, I do them straight away. Straight away means immediately. Situation 2. Ask to borrow your partner's calculator. Yours is at home. Conversation 2. Do you think I could borrow your calculator? I left mine at home. Sure, no problem. When do you want to borrow it? Would it be alright to use it this afternoon? Yeah, of course. I'm not using it right now. Situation 3. Ask your partner for some help moving some boxes. The courier is going to pick them up in 15 minutes. Conversation 3. I need someone to help me move these boxes. Are you free by any chance? Sorry, I'm afraid I can't help now. I'm really busy. Maybe Bob could give you a hand. Okay, I ask him. Situation 4. Ask your partner for a ride home. Your car is in the shop. Conversation 4. Do you by any chance drive past Man Drive on your way home? Yes, I usually drive back that way. I was wondering if I could get a ride with you. My car is at the shop. Well, normally that would be fine. But I'm afraid I'm going to the cinema after work today, so I will be going to the other side of town. Sorry. Oh, don't worry. I can take the bus. It's no problem. Follow-up. Write 3 Part 3 questions. No answer choices. For each conversation, 1 to 4 above. Read down the conversations as naturally as possible and ask your partners the questions you wrote. 2. Think of an actual request you made recently, or imagine one you might make, and write the conversations in English. Write 3 questions. You don't need to make answer choices to test your partners. This is the end of listening test, part 3, conversations. In the next lecture, we're going to move on to listening test, part 4, talks. See you soon.